Artificial intelligence is happening all over the world. It's a hot topic. Now, what we did is we tried to integrate it with our law blocks. Now, say you're in London and you're walking on the street and some dog bites you. Now, what do? So, you just go to the law blocks. You say, I'm in so and so city, I'm in so and so country. This is the problem. Now, give me some resolution, some solution.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to XDC MENA Podcast, where we talk about blockchain, projects, technology, and about XDC Network. As you can see, we do have a new podcast room, which I'm very excited. So joining us today is Ashish Bhapana, founder and senior advocate for LawBlocks AI. And also joining him is Dhriti Misra, who is an investment and project manager of LawBlocks AI. So LawBlocks AI is redefining the legal technology and also how blockchain redefines smart contracts and arbitration and even documentation. So yes, guys, welcome to the podcast and let's get started.
Thank you, Rebecca, for having us.
Thank you, Rebecca, for having us.
You're most welcome and welcome again to the new podcast, bro. And yes, first question, if you can tell us more about yourself, what is your Web3 journey?
Rebecca, I've been in the legal space for the last 36 years. I've been in the cyber crimes for the last 25 years since India formed its law in 2020, and in the Web3 space for the last 5 years. And one day, somewhere in the month of August, September 2021, Ritesh Kakkad, the co-founder of XDC, came to me and said, "Sir, can we put law and blockchain together?" And that's where the journey of LawBlocks started. Right now, we are already in the space for the last 4 years, giving legal documents and other things. And as we pass into our journeys, I'll tell more about it.
Hi, Rebecca. Thanks for the introduction. My name is Dhriti Misra. I am the project and investment manager at LawBlocks AI. My Web3 journey started back when I was studying engineering in my IT field. I joined LawBlocks AI as an intern, and ever since it's been a great journey. It fascinated me to join LawBlocks AI just because it's built on XDC, and the momentum that we are creating is quite different that around the world. This is a new product out there. So yeah, that's how I started my journey, and currently I've been with them for 3 years now.
All right. So from intern to full-time employment, that's great work. And it must be a tough job being into cybercrime. So can you tell us more what what LawBlocks is trying to solve?
In LawBlocks, once you get yourself registered, then you can make any kind of document state-wise, country-wise. Now, we have integrated all the APIs for conveyancing, drafting and pleading throughout the world. You're in the city of Dubai, you say Dubai, say UAE, say I need an NDA. You give it some prompts what you need, the documents are created for you. Then you have your digital signature, which is on the Web3. Then once the document is created, we can upload it on the XDC blockchain. Then you have other features like AI chat, which gives you legal, general and more information on medical fields and all throughout the world. Then you have ADR resolutions, alternate dispute resolution through mediation, arbitration. We have a panel of 600 lawyers. Most of them are registered with the international arbitration courts. Try to resolve the disputes.
So it seems like it's an end-to-end legal process.
That's right.
From uploading a document, which we have a lot, right? For legal documents, it also requires digital signature and other things. So can you tell us more about the toolings? You mentioned like the AI, kind of a chat GPT-like AI, and also this digital signature. If you can tell us more about it, and what is the advantage of LawBlocks against the others?
Now you need to create a simple document. Say you need a small affidavit or a power of attorney. You need to get a lawyer. You need to get his appointment. You really have to pay him high fees. You come on this platform, get yourself registered. Say if you're a poor person, you don't have the money to go to a lawyer. So what you do is just register yourself. Say I need this document. I'm in so and so city, so and so country, and the document happens for you. Then we have a lot of lawyers on our team. We have a team of free legal aid. Just say, this is a document, I'm not satisfied, I need these points. Our team of lawyers will help you with those documents. Once the document is created, if it's a single document, you digital sign it, upload it. If there is an agreement of sale, then there are two parties involved. Once the document is created, you can share it with your counterpart. Once the document is shared with your counterpart, he can edit it, you can edit it, they can further send it to their lawyers, they can edit it, and it is all with timestamp. So you know who has done what with the document. Once the document is finalized, digitally sign it, upload it on the IPFS of XDC blockchain. Now nobody knows where the document is. Unless you put in your hash, your password, the document is only available to you. 100% secured and safe. Nobody has access to your document. This is one feature which is very important. Safety is there of your documents.
Right. So you talk about uploading the document and having the timestamps when you edit a document.
That's right.
And digital signature. And what about the AI part of this? Can you tell us more about how AI works or merge to LawBlocks?
Now, artificial intelligence is happening all over the world. It's a hot topic. Now, what we did is we tried to integrate it with our law blocks. Now, say you're in London and you're walking on the street and some dog bites you. Now, what do? So, you just go to the law blocks. You say, I'm in so and so city, I'm in so and so country. This is the problem. Now, give me some resolutions, some solutions. You will get how to deal with the police department, how to deal and take care of it medically, general information as to where the crime has to be reported, what actions can you be taken. It's all available on the platform today.
That is very helpful and very handy. Now, yes, the tools and the technology is there, and I think we're impressed. And can you tell us more, like the arbitration that you mentioned? And I think there's also a marketplace for lawyers.
Now, marketplace of lawyers is now we are having right about 600 lawyers and law firms who have been registered with us. They want to be with LawBlocks, but because they know what is happening in the world with the introduction of artificial intelligence and blockchain. ADR is a resolution, alternate dispute resolution. Whenever there is a fight or if there is business, there is bound to be disputes. And when the dispute happens between two parties, the first thing what comes to the mind is courts and lawyers. Now, going to a regular court is a very expensive thing, time consuming. You are drained from the pocket as well as from your mind. You are tired. What to do? Go to the platform, and when you are making an agreement between two parties, you just say, I want to use LawBlocks for dispute resolution. We will give you lawyers, different ways to resolve the disputes. We have legal teams who will resolve the disputes for you. Mediation arbitration is very quick, cheaper, faster. So I think this is the best resolution to resolve disputes when disputes happen.
Yes, I totally agree with you. Dispute is very costly and very time consuming. So if you want to avoid that headache, just go to lawblocks.in.
That's right.
Okay. Okay. So yes, yeah, that is very fascinating. And to back up all these features that you mentioned, digital signature, editing a document, arbitration, LawBlocks team has prepared a video demonstration so we can see how it works.
Visit market.lawblocks.io and register if you're a new user. You can sign up as either an attorney or a regular user. Once registered, sign in using your email and password or Google login. After signing in, you'll be directed to your profile. Use the faucet to claim LBT and XDC tokens. Create a document using AI. Select your country and state from the drop-down menu, then enter the type of document you need. Once generated, you can upload the document to the XDC blockchain for secure storage. Select the document you wish to save on the platform. Click on Save as Draft to store it. Edit the document as needed. Any additions will be highlighted in green, while deletions appear in red with timestamps. After editing, share the document with a counterpart by entering their email ID. The counterpart can review, edit, and update the document. Any changes will be reflected for all users with access. Once shared and edited, the user has the option to delete the document. Digital signatures, you can delete, edit, or reserve your saved signature. To sign a document, select it and specify if you are the only signer. Choose from 3 signing methods: text-based password, draw sign, or upload a scanned signature. Click Done to complete the process. Once signed, go to the dashboard to view, download, or upload your document. Next, explore AI chat for legal solutions. Select a predefined question or type your query, specifying the country, as laws vary by location. Under the Legal Templates section, you can purchase templates. Select a template, click Buy Now, proceed to checkout, and view purchase documents in your profile. In the Arbitrator and Mediator section, find details of onboard attorneys. You can view their contact details and send a request message with your query. If registered as an attorney, use the Create Template option to sell templates, either manually created or AI assisted. Once listed, templates will appear in the Legal Templates section.
Yes, so that's a lovely demonstration. Again, a wonderful, wonderful what you guys have made, combining everything into blockchain. Now, what is like with the traditional regulators? Are they embracing law blocks or?
Now, right now, what you see is 600 lawyers is nothing. 600 lawyers and law firms is nothing as compared to the lawyers we have all over the world. Web3 slowly is getting, Web3 blockchain is slowly getting into the blockchain space. It's only a matter of time. I think so by maybe next year's end, we'll have about 10,000 people using this product. So because of the new technology, it's taking some time. Sometime is maybe 6 months, a year's time, we have about 10,000. Now what we do is we are trying to give this product to the younger generations. We go to the law colleges, we train them as to what is Web3, what is blockchain, how ADR resolutions can be used, how the client disputes can be resolved faster and cheaper. So it's just a matter of time before LawBlocks really hits the sky.
Yes, and I know that you have onboarded around 600 plus lawyers. That's right. And I know that you just came from ETH Dubai, and there's something that you want to share.
Today in ETH Dubai, we had a lawyer from British Virgin Islands, and she was shocked, she was surprised, and she was thankful. Says, I need this. So she is coming for a program on 30th of this month, that is just 2 days from now. People are getting excited. They want to be onboarded. I said, this is a tool for you to make money. We will do the appointments for you. You give them advice virtually, and please earn some money from LawBlocks. They're excited, they're happy.
Amazing. So yes, if this lawyer is interested, pretty much you'll be meeting more people during Token 24/9 event and our side events. That's right. So yeah, Dhriti, how is the roadmap look like?
So for the roadmap, by the end of 2025, we are planning to onboard at least 10,000 plus lawyers on our panel. We also are planning to create our own virtual court wherein attorneys can resolve their disputes through our virtual courts. And we also are trying to create a calendar for the lawyers who are onboarded with us so that the user can directly connect with the lawyers and schedule a meeting one-on-one through our platform.
Lovely roadmap. And if I want to know more about LawBlocks or follow you guys, where should I go?
So you should definitely go out and check out our Telegram community, that is LawBlocks AI and LawBlocks AI updates, where you get regular updates about LawBlocks AI and the development that has been happening on regular basis. You can also follow our LinkedIn page and Twitter page to keep up with the updates, and we'll definitely get in touch with you.
Wonderful. All of these links will be placed under the video description. So yes, before we end the podcast, any final message to the community members?
So if anyone would like to request for a demo, they can simply reach out to us via email, or it's a very wonderful project out there and it is available for free at the moment. So you can go and explore the product and let us know what is your feedback.
Any final message, Mr. Ashish?
Yeah, I think so. This is one of the best products right now in the world, where you can get documents with the help of AI, digitally sign the document on Web3. This is the first product in the world with digital signatures on Web3. Upload your documents on the blockchain. One of the safest way to do it. As right now, the message to lawyers is, please use this product. This is the future of law and blockchain put together.
Thank you so much for joining the podcast and telling us more what is LawBlocks is doing. So thank you. So yes, thank you again for tuning us today for another podcast of XDC MENA. And if you want to know more about XDC Network, please go to www.zinfin.org. Or if you have any question or want to participate to our discussion, just go to www.xdc.dev. So keep exploring, keep learning until our next episode.